Ever wondered how to explore the vibrant city of Delhi without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the heart of Delhi, where the bustling markets of Chandni Chowk await. This market is a treasure trove of budget-friendly finds, offering everything from intricate jewelry to colorful textiles. Now, let's journey into history. Delhi is dotted with grand monuments, each with its own tale. The Red Fort, Qutub Minar, and Jama Masjid stand as silent witnesses to the city's rich past. These landmarks, steeped in history, are free to admire from the outside. But what's a trip to Delhi without sampling the local cuisine? The city's street food is a delicious and affordable gastronomic adventure. From tangy golgappas to the mouth-watering chole bhature, every dish is a testament to Delhi's culinary diversity. So, with a little planning, Delhi can offer a rich cultural experience that doesn't have to cost the earth. Next on the list is the city that never sleeps, Mumbai. This cosmopolitan hub is a melting pot of cultures, offering a diversity of experiences that are as rich as the city itself. Imagine strolling along the iconic Marine Drive, a 3-kilometer-long boulevard that hums with the beat of the city. Here, the blend of modern high-rises and age-old Art Deco buildings paints a unique skyline, one that's best enjoyed at sunset. A stone's throw away, the Gateway of India stands tall, a monument that's a testament to Mumbai's colonial past and its resilient spirit. And when the sun sets, Mumbai reveals another facet of its charm. Its vibrant nightlife, brimming with music, dance, and culinary delights, offers an experience that's truly unforgettable. The best part? All of this can be enjoyed while staying within a budget. See, Mumbai's vibrant culture and cosmopolitan charm can be experienced fully without spending a fortune. Now let's move to the royal city of Jaipur. Known for its grandeur and royal heritage, this city is a treasure trove of experiences that are both enriching and budget-friendly. Imagine strolling through the majestic Amber Fort, where the echoes of a bygone era still resonate. This fort is not just a monument, it's a testament to the royal aesthetics and architectural brilliance of yesteryears, and it doesn't cost a fortune to explore. Now picture yourself wandering through the local markets. They're a riot of colors, filled with beautiful handicrafts, textiles, and gems. The best part? You can shop to your heart's content without breaking the bank. And of course, your Jaipur sojourn would be incomplete without indulging in the traditional Rajasthani cuisine. From the spicy dal bati churma to the sweet gawar, these culinary delights promise an unforgettable gastronomic adventure at a fraction of the cost. So it's clear that Jaipur offers a royal cultural immersion that is as affordable as it is enriching. Last but not least, let's dive into the cultural hub of India, Kolkata. This city is an oasis for the artistically inclined and the intellectually curious. At the heart of the city lies the Victoria Memorial, a grand edifice that stands as a testament to the city's colonial past. Its stunning architecture and sprawling gardens are a sight to behold, creating a serene escape within the bustling city. Venture into the narrow lanes of Kumartuli, where artisans breathe life into clay, crafting intricate idols that are revered in festivals across the country. This community of artisans is a living canvas that showcases the city's artistic prowess. And let's not forget the culinary delights. Sink your teeth into the flavors of authentic Bengali cuisine. Whether it's the sweet rosagola or the fiery hilsa curry, Kolkata's food scene is a gastronomic journey in itself. So, Kolkata proves that a rich cultural immersion doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag.